Good morning. It rained last night, so the water came into the barrel, and so today we actually have some water. What's for breakfast this morning? Snickers bar. My God, it feels frozen. This is not working. Uncooked instant oatmeal. Up, up, and up. Okay, just 300 meters from the lookout. The signage is a bit dated, but so is the view. No, what's in it then?
Chocolate and fudgy stuff.
Oh, perfect. And a coffee, and I'm set.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, it's fantastic. Apparently, Derby is like the place to be with a mountain bike. David is going to save my butt. What do you got for me, David?
I have a lighter for you.
Oh my God, look at that. It has sentimental value, I hope. All day the wind has been howling. I found the spot at 5:30, but honestly, with the headwind, a 24-kilometer-hour headwind all day, I was too tired. It's not the greatest, but it'll have to do. Pepsi. That's my dinner tonight. 8 a.m. It rained a little this morning. It looks like it's going to rain. And I definitely got to find a dry room for tonight to air out and take a day off. Crazy weather. 2 hours later, I see Scottsdale, and behind me I see tons of rain. I found this commercial building with some shelter. It's time to make coffee because I haven't had breakfast yet. Blue skies, then rain. So I'm just going to spend the night, charge my phone, clean my stuff, take a shower, and start fresh tomorrow. I visited Woolworths and got chicken, potatoes, yogurt, Coca-Cola. It's all here. The sun is out. It's a bear, Tintin, and a Mexican. I have 3 kilometers and 400 meters to achieve. Oatmeal with apples. Look, Miro, a raspberry muffin, a coffee, and it comes with a teddy bear.